This is not the same size battery as the D4D model, so I'll show you what to use instead with a full step-by-step battery replacement, with info on the battery size and what to expect after installation. Loosen the negative terminal first, which is the smaller of the two terminals, and then the positive. And that's because, well, it's all explained in this video link on the screen. Now the bracket is held in place with these two nuts on the J-bolts. The one at the back can be unhooked, but it had a bunch of cables strapped to it, so you'll only need to loosen the nut at the back completely to swivel the bracket around. This battery's dimensions are identical to the original, so I'll share some info on it a bit later, but for now start installation with the bracket and then the positive terminal first. If you find these videos helpful, please consider subscribing. It's free and as simple as tapping the button below the video. It really helps us to make more videos. Once the terminal is tightened, it shouldn't be able to move around by hand. Instead of slamming the terminals into place with force, rather use a big flat screwdriver to extend the terminals while pushing it down. This prevents damage to the lead posts, as well as potential internal damage to the battery. The battery we used is a 75 amp hour EFB or enhanced flooded battery with these dimensions, but what's important here is to opt for a battery with higher cranking amps, or even use an AGM battery with the same dimensions. There were no warning lights on startup and a radio code isn't necessary, you'll just need to set the time. Now that you've mastered installation, learn how to maximize the life out of your car battery by watching this video.